Hello class, I wanted to create a quick short tutorial on how to establish a Popplet, what to call it, how to invite others to collaborate, and how to copy Popplets or Popples. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here first. You're going to need to create an account, and I would suggest that you guys use the same emails that you've given the school, so that when we're trying to search for you and invite you, we're using all the same emails from school. And then I would also encourage you to use the same login/password that you use to get into class, so that you don't have to remember too many others. I'm going to go ahead and pretend like I'm creating a new Popplet. I have one right here that I've already established for this class that I'll be coming back to, but you'll see this, and I think it's going to look a little differently for you guys. It's going to actually ask you, and it's going to look like this to start out with. Because you've never created one, it's going to kind of walk you through it. So put your name of the Popplet in here, and I'm asking you to title it your last name. So I'm just going to put last name here, underscore AOHS underscore DP2, and you can use the number 2 if you'd like, and then S for spring 2014. And that way I know who you are, what class you're in, and what year or semester it is. And then you can choose the color here, and I'm just going to choose this color for fun, and then make it so. Okay, and then there you go. I've got my Popplet already created, and it's ready to go. Okay, before I start adding Popplets, I'm going to go to this little icon here, and I'm going to go to Labs. I'm going to click on Popplet Permissions. I'm going to click on this Popples can be edited by any collaborator, and I'm going to say OK. Okay, so I've just made it so that this could be edited. Then, looking at these, I want to share. I'm going to create a new Popplet. To create a new Popplet, I'm going to double-click anywhere inside the screen. So I'm going to double-click right here. You can see that it's starting to create a Popplet. I can change the color of this Popplet here. I can add text by clicking here and making the size of it here. Okay. You can make it left formatted, centered, or right formatted. I'm going to do left formatted, and then if I make this a little bit bigger, it's going to kind of make it more left formatted. Okay? Then if I want to draw, I can draw here using this and use whatever color I want, and I can just draw a line. Okay, and it expands my drawing. Okay? And then if I want to add a video or a file from my computer, I click on this, which is add a still shot or a video, and it will add the video here by browsing through. If I don't like the Popplet, I can click here and delete the Popplet, and then the next thing that I need to do is share the Popplet. So I'm going to click on share. I'm going to add collaborator, and if I know what your addresses are, I think Adam, you are one of my kiddos here, so I'm going to click on Adam. Let's just make sure that I'm on the right class here. Yeah, Adam Martin, sporty a kid. Okay, so let's just make sure that that is the right one. So I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to click on Adam. I'm going to add them. And if I do that, then what's going to happen is it's going to send a email to Adam to join me in editing and adding Popplets to this. So, please watch this video to help you create Popplets. The only way that you can start to get a grade for your digital portfolio, that I'll know that you have your digital portfolio set up correctly, is for you to go ahead and send me an email, and that email will be sent directly from Popplet. And all right. Thank you, and good luck. want to make sure that it stopped video.